Padomo, iye nora, la wo, imya we do gugwan lao, emine no gewe nu, big thing, nu we nu riao ye vanire, because when we ya we, come like say, wogyo bia, we no wa, no gena oko, and then ma very oni. Emma, every time, while I don't have your da phone, every not buy. Ula wo Jenny J. Emma, very original. No gas where we are. General, I don't want to. Yes, you go water. Now we go General.
We are working. Do mama kia we are love here. I don't know how to work. You work to do.
We are
my life here. We shall be every time.
Mama.
Again, you are playing. Your husband is dating that girl down to you.
It's when you're there, la Jenny J. It don't get where they get. We get around you. Oh, what the J. Where my family picture, me mana. Where my mion. Area cutting a yare.
Now we shall be all the time of your very also, area
Cassidy.
Again, we're supposed to for. I'll send a nickel picture.
You're not writing where don't have Uri egi ase bono da fun ege ko ho we am bodo obia no bio menena General uni wo pale vague ukeke usaka obodo je we mami leta lo mana General akada wetu adbe wasunuji Wasunuji oponoro wodo watalo na watalo na meme okobo
anywhere don't move when no get don't leave any come put a top for her on mi wa alebo don't
Calm down. All this is not helping. It's okay. You just have to
Idiot.
give respect to your
May
husband.
fuck you
It's
for
very
nyash
When
important.
me
they
fuck
contribute
you.
to
Don't
the
help
God
him.
that
You
point
just
for
calm
us
down.
for
You're not gonna
Affair.
it's
And we
it's
don't
okay.
know what
It's
they
okay.
don't move when they do homework. Do homework.
Yenora, it's okay. You have to respect your husband. It's a normal thing.
It's okay.
I'm a basabi.
It's okay.
Yeah, till Lagos when one now no no zedu Yenora calm down.
Yenora, calm down.
Zedu oyame la.
Anyway, we have a shawale zati ale straight.
Why butter?
Oh my God.
No, it's no man. Enogie. You have a calm heart, you know, because I'm you wa no duame ye nezo ye.
Nonsense.
Toi te we video na wo wa. Toi te we live video na e toi te la dia. E wa wa na we.
Like I was saying, Enogie, I'm you one oduame ye nezo ye. But the thing is that I think Mama Nora has gone to the extreme for Oya Tiebo. So I stand with you that she should do the cleansing.
With egg.
I stand with you that she should do the cleansing. You know that, you know that. Man, I start with my man. I say you know that cabo. You know, if she see my picture self, she go surprised. I don't do saga. You know, I'm a business coach, so I just do on my own. You know, so please, like I told you, like I said before, call the family because I think Clifford said call her family, call her family and report this thing. Call your family too and report this thing. They should come together and decide. Egbe will decide. Okay, look, this is what they are going to do. Please. But in all the same, the way with which they talk, please, as a man, have a calm heart. Because yeah, when you me or to look there high. You understand? If another woman or coffee do this kind of way, what they do you? You understand? So me myself, I get wife. You understand? So at time my wife do one or two things, everything. You understand? So then my own decision is I'll call her family. She get mama. She get omongonoya zera degimera. You know, call them, say this is what is happening, this is what is happening, so that you people can settle this matter amicably. Please, you don't leave. At the year you want become a single father. No, please don't leave your wife. That is your wife. Man, understand? If love not there, two of them not go marry. Man, understand? And iye nora too. Orewa.
Oh yeah, what's that?